Why did you want to learn English or improve your English?
Many reasons. Many reasons. Last year, I had a meeting in English with international partners, and I felt that I wasn't enough confident. Someone says to me that it was okay. You are compressible, but for me it was not enough because there was some things that I want to explain more in details, and I felt that I was not able to do it. So I lost in precision in my
Mhm.
uh, in my discussion.
Mhm.
This is why I want to improve my English. Other reasons is that in 2023 I went to New York, and it was an opportunity to speak more in English. And sometimes I felt that I had lack of vocabulary in common situations. Uh, I don't know. For example, I asked someone to give me a spoon, and at this time I forgot the word spoon.
The word spoon.
Yes,
Can you
so
give me the thing that like you put in your mouth? Like,
I used the trick. I said to him, "You know the fork?" He said, "Yes, I know the fork because you use it in IT. The word fork."
oh, the word fork is used in
Yes, I said to him, "I don't want a fork. I want the other one." He
a
laughed a
knife.
lot and said to
And
me,
then
"Oh, the spoon."
oh, he said spoon. Okay,
Yes.
I would have given you a knife. So
Oh no.
that's funny. Okay. I see. And so those two situations, the meeting where you felt like you didn't express yourself as well as you wanted to,
Exactly.
and the fork situation in New York City.
Yes, there are other situations like that.
Yeah, I see. And so that's those things made you realize, it would be useful if I could speak better in English.
Exactly.
Okay. And how do you feel today? Like, are you able, like, have you had meetings, since our training?
And now I'm feeling better, more confident after this training because this training helped me to improve my English in oral comprehension
Mhm.
and to speak more fluently with someone with this 1 hour by day.
Mhm.
We have 4 hours by week in English with
Mhm.
you.
Mhm.
It's a good opportunity to hear someone speaking English with different accents, to speak with different people about many topics. It was an amazing experience.
Oh yeah, that's great. Yeah, it was amazing having you part of it. Um, have you been able to use your English like outside of English class
Yes, I met someone at the airport.
at the airport?
Yes, I was waiting for my wife, and I began to speak with someone in English, and we have a good discussion.
Oh wow! Oh cool. Just
I,
a random stranger.
yes, we was waiting together, so we talked a lot.
Yeah, that's
But
that's fun, right? That's interesting, huh?
yes,
Okay,
absolutely.
cool. And what about at work? Have you had any meetings or no?
Not yet,
Okay.
not yet, but I'm very enthusiastic to do it again.
Yes, 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 yes. Me too. Okay, cool. So right, so you're project manager in IT, and okay, what does those? So Lilia, my wife, she's much more. I don't know how you say it, but detail oriented.
Okay.
Um, and I have like big picture, right, vision, and she'll be able to like she'll have the patience to prompt it, and then it'll get an error, and then she'll ask ChatGPT to like look into the error uh, with Codex, and now she's
Yeah.
like she's putting it in GitHub now. It's like whoa,
It's good skills to become a developer.
she really loves it. Like she was up all night till 3 in the morning last night. Like
It's hard to stop with AI.
that's the thing. Yeah, yeah. Like for her, she loves it. And we have been able to create in 2 days, well, she has, let's say, something that is remarkable and in fact is really exactly what we want, you know? And then, but then what she just did just now was that she asked Codex to check into the I don't know, basically to look into the back end and to see if the back end code is good, and then and Codex was like, nah, it's not so good, there's a lot of problems, and like, and she's like, well, can you fix it?
Okay.
Codex is
So,
like fixing it, but anyway, we have a consultant. Basically, the bottom line is every week we're going to meet with a full stack web developer who's going
okay.
to look, a good friend of mine, basically a former student. He's going to look and see, what's, because it's true that we don't want to create this monster and then that's like full of holes and problems, right?
Okay. So he helps you to check if you're in the good way.
Exactly. Yeah.
Is it Mansour?
No, it's Yamin.
Okay.
Yeah, I
Another
think
one.
Mansour's pretty busy.
Yes. This is what I seen on LinkedIn and YouTube.
Yeah, exactly. So my friend Yamin, who is going to look into it for us,
Okay.
and we'll see because, well, in fact, we're going to meet him for the first time on Monday, and he's going to check the back end and see, like.
Okay.
But if we don't worry about the back end and all we look is everything that's being created, we're very happy so far, And for only, I don't know, it's cost us maybe 70 euros so far to
Yes,
create.
not so far.
Yeah,
To do the same thing without AI, you have to employ a web developer to pay him. It will be expensive, and maybe you will don't have this result after 1 week.
that's right. And in fact, I don't know if it would be even as, because I guess we would have we would have given the specifications. We would have, to a web developer, we would say, okay, these are the features that we want. And then they would show us, I guess, a version, right? Like a version 1 or something. And then maybe we would be like, yeah, but it's not really what we want. I don't know,
Exactly.
But at least this way, we're getting that minimal viable product. But then, yeah, if we want to scale, like, we have no problem investing, so that it's a solid like architecture and that it's viable. That's important. Like that
Yes,
is
it's perfect for MVPs.
Yeah, exactly.
To launch an ID to see if it's okay. Maybe find beta testers to check if it's if your app answer to their needs.
Right.
I think it's a good idea to test it with Lovable.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah. And I know who I can ask it to check it.
I'm trying to do something with AI too. This is why I'm seeing what you're trying to do.
Yeah, well, I mean, man, with your background, like, I think you could do something, amazing. What do you think?
Kind of AI with in hands of a developer is like a superpower.
Right. So what's your what are you thinking about? What do you have an idea? Do you want to keep it secret? Or?
No, I can talk about it. I'm trying to launch something with my daughter. I went to Algeria with my daughter in 2023.
Okay.
2 years ago. She was 6. We went to Algeria for her first time, and she discovered Algeria. We have a lot of family and kids with age. Yes, she was 60, and there are a lot of kids between 5 and 10 years.
Okay. Yeah.
But for her, it was difficult to have discussion with them, to talk with them, because and I'm guilty. I'm not used to talk with her in Algerian dialect.
Right.
So she has some basics, but she's not able to have discussion.
What about, sorry, but what about her mom?
Her mom is from Morocco. She can speak with her too, but she didn't do it.
Okay, so her mom speaks to her in French.
Yes,
I see, and you too.
yes,
Same for you.
yes, we too. And but we talk Arabic dialects too.
Yeah.
Me and my wife,
Hmm.
but we don't have this reflex.
Right. Yeah. It's hard, man. It's tough. I know
Yes,
exactly. I speak to my kids in English, but not all the time, man. Like
it's hard.
as much as I can, but I always I forget a lot. I forget. I'm like, no, no, no. I
Yes,
have to switch to
because
English.
it's not a reflex. And I think in the
Yeah.
future I will try to create an habit
Yeah.
in our house for the weekend. Maybe, for example, the Saturday we will speak only in Arabic,
Right.
and the Sunday only English.
Oh
But,
yeah. Right.
but
Yeah.
now it's difficult because there are 7 and 3.
Yes. Yes.
We will begin with French and see it after.
There's seven and oh, I see. Right. Yeah, but ironically, in fact, the earlier the better. In fact, they're
Yes,
somehow their minds are like plastic. They're able to. They're bendable. You know. They're
yes, and they are not shy. I think this is the best
Mm,
mean to learn language
right.
because as an adult you are shy. You don't want to make mistakes,
Right.
and child are okay with that. They accept to
Yeah.
make
Yeah.
mistakes.
In general, that's true. Yes.
And you can hear that something sometimes their brain are too fast for their mouth. Maybe they are talking like that. They are
Oh,
doing
right.
it.
Yeah. Yeah.
They
Yeah.
are
Yeah.
learning.
Mm-mm-mm.
And as an adult, we don't want to make mistakes. We don't accept, but we have to be okay with that to progress.
Yeah.
Uh, so after that trip, when we came back,
Hmm.
she said to me, "I want to learn Algerian."
She told you your daughter that
Yes,
she wanted to learn Algerian. Okay.
yes, to keep in touch with our family and
Ah,
continue to talk with them.
yeah.
And I tried to looking for an application for that, and I didn't found anything.
Right. I'm sure you only found Arabic, right? Like
Yeah, exactly.
the classic
Classic Arabic
Saudi Arabia.
from Egypt, Saudi.
Right. Right. Right.
So she told me, why you don't do it, because I'm a developer.
Oh yeah.
So it was a challenge, and I told her, let's go. We will do it together. Now she is my IT project manager, and I'm her developer, and
No
we are
kidding.
working on that project.
No kidding.
No, seriously.
At 8 years old.
Yes.
Wow. So that's the same age as my son.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah. Um, and he's half Algerian, so I don't know.
Yes.
Maybe for the future, we'll keep an eye. Maybe
Okay.
you know,
I
like how
will.
how does it work in the culture? Like, do you have to pay me money or do I have to pay you money? Like if they get married.
Yes. When you get married, you have to pay money.
No, yeah, I'm asking like, so if my son and your daughter they get married, okay,
Yes.
like who has to pay who money? Like,
You.
oh, I have to pay
Yes. I don't
forget
know
it.
this word in English. It's une dot.
Oh yeah, it's a dowry. It's called
Yes.
a dowry or something like that. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So it's the male. Okay, it's the male that has to pay.
Exactly.
The father of the male has to pay the father of the female or the family of the female.
Yeah.
Okay, I have to pay you money to get. Oh my
Yes.
god. Okay. All right. Okay. Well, listen. She's beautiful, so okay.
It's okay. I
Depends
will.
how much
I will think about the amount.
the price. Yeah, you have to think about the price. But hey, man, that's a great idea for an app actually, because I'm sure there's a lot of Algerians,
Yes. I,
right? That their parents, yeah.
in September, we began to launch a promotion about this application on
Mhm.
social media, social networks.
Okay.
And now I think that we have 1,500 subscription
What?
on TikTok.
Are you from TikTok?
Yes,
So you're promoting it on TikTok?
yes, exactly. I tried on Instagram too, but I feel that the Instagram users are not very sensitive.
They're not very what? Sorry.
Sensitive,
Oh, sensitive.
sensitive to application, or maybe I'm not really used to promote something on social networks. So maybe I don't do it with the good method.
Okay, but
I
with
don't know.
TikTok, it's working.
TikTok seems to be okay.
So
And
what are you doing like to promote it exactly?
I generate an image on ChatGPT, and
Uh-huh.
after that, I record my daughter speaking.
Okay.
After when I have her voice, sorry, I'm using another AI to create lips syncing and
Okay.
generate a video about a lesson like how to uh, how to count from 0 to 10,
Okay.
how can you ask something in Algerian,
Okay.
some things like that. And she loved it. She loved it, and she wants to do it all the day, but I don't have time to do it.
Yeah. So she enjoys doing working on the like a project with her daddy.
Exactly. This is her project, and I'm close to finish it. I think I will. My goal is to finish it for her next birthday in January.
Okay.
It will
Wow.
be a good gift.
Wow. So you were able to create like an LMS, like a learning, I mean, like an app
Uh,
to learn, or how does it
yes, like that, but
work?
more simple. It's like you have lessons. Now you have modules. In these modules, you have lessons. For example, you have a module like beginner, intermediate, or advanced. And in these modules, you have lessons like colors, days, numbers.
Yeah.
You have words, and I have to finish one feature is that it allows you to hear the pronunciation.
Right. Right. Okay. Wow. Well, I'm very interested in this app as well because when I visit Algeria and I visit Lilia's family,
Okay,
they will be impressed even if I just count to five. They'll be like, "Oh, good job!"
you will be able with this app.
So cool. Wow. So it's already in the App Store.
No, not yet, not yet.
Oh, okay. But you have 1,500 people who are like on a list,
Subscribe
a
on
waiting list
TikTok.
or something.
They subscribe on TikTok, and I create a form to submit and to receive a mail
Right.
for the lunch for the
Yes,
lunch.
a waiting list.
Exactly.
So cool, man. Wow.
I seen
And
that on a Mansour video.
to do a waiting list.
Yes,
Yeah, that works.
he was doing a landing page and a waiting list.
And what's the name of your TikTok?
DZ Lingo.
s-
DZ is the top level domain of Algeria. When you go to on a Algerian website,
yeah.
the URL finished by DZ.
Oh yeah, DZ.
Yes,
Okay. So the name of the of your TikTok is
DZ Lingo, like
Lingo.
Duolingo.
DZ Lingo. Okay. Yes. I see what you mean. Instead of dot point .fr, it's dot DZ in Algeria, right?
Yes, we call this top level domain. For example,
Nice.
for Belgium, we have .be.
Right. Gotcha. And for Canada, dot .ca.
Exactly.
Okay, gotcha. Oh yeah, that's fascinating, man. That's really cool.
Thank
I
you.
love it. Yeah, cool. And so were you born in Algeria or were
No,
you
no, I born in France
okay?
in a city called Denain.
Okay. And was
And
this like a rough neighborhood or middle class or like
yes, it's I think it's the second most poor city in France.
really?
Yes.
Wow. So was it like a dangerous place or like
No, no, it's I think there are lack of companies and work.
okay,
The
right.
people
Yeah.
are very kind in the north of France.
Okay. Yeah, because usually when you have no economic opportunities, that's when the drug dealers come and
Yes,
the crime.
maybe there is, but I yes, when I go to the north, close to Denain, I'm just visiting my family, so I don't know what's the real life in this place.
Okay. Yeah, yeah. Okay. Wow. So you grew up in
No, I just born to Denain, and after 1 year, I went to Sartrouville, in the close to Paris, in the
okay,
78 sub department.
I see. Okay. And were you always good? Were you good in school or?
Yes, I was a good teacher. Good teacher. Not yet. Next
Yeah.
step, maybe. Yes, I was a good student, but my father was a good teacher too. He's not teacher, but he had a good pedagogy
Right.
to
Yeah.
explain us how to be a better student.
Okay.
I think all generations try to help the next generation to be better, and I
Mm-hmm.
think he met difficulties
Mm-hmm.
and understood how to help his child to don't do the same mistakes, or how to become a better student.
Ah, yeah, great. So you had a good, your father was a good influence,
Yes, my mom too, but my father was really
like implicated. He was very
implicated
present.
on school. Yes,
Okay.
it
Yeah,
was very
it was
important for
important
him.
for him that you
Yes,
did well in
exactly.
school. Okay. And what did you study like in did you go to university or
Yes, when I was in English we don't say college.
where
I think
college is like
it's
I
like
don't even know.
university in France. No.
But college, isn't it like when you were like 10 years old, 10, 11, or
Yes,
12?
14 like that.
14. So it's like high school.
Okay, high school. In high school, at the end of the high school, I was hesitate
Mhm.
between sports and IT.
Uh-huh.
And thanks to my father, he was an adult. He was thinking more than me. He
Uh,
said to me that sport is more a passion. You can still do sports uh,
right.
next, but you have to be you have to learn more skills that help you to get a job. So with IT, it's more sure to have a job.
Yes. Okay, so you wanted to be like a professional athlete.
No, no, more like a coach or a sport teacher.
Okay. Well, there's jobs. There's jobs for that. There's
Yes, but maybe in one high school you will find two sport teachers.
right. Yeah, sure. And no, I get it. And I mean, it's probably the right path that you
Yes, I
chose.
think.
You could make you could make more money probably. I mean, you're learning a skill that's very useful in this modern age, right?
Yes, for sure.
Yeah.
He had the vision.
Yeah, that's cool. I have a very good relationship with my dad too. I'm blessed, very lucky, because my dad was always very encouraging. It
It's
was
important.
yeah, so important, man.
Yes, because if you have a dad that don't trust you, don't encourage you, who will do it?
Yeah, that's tough, man. That's really tough. Uh, but my parents were divorced. But I lived with my mom, but I would see my dad on the weekends, like every weekend.
Okay.
So I have that. and my brother. Do you have any brothers and sisters?
Yes, I have two brothers, two
Oh,
little brothers.
they're little brothers or
No,
older?
little than me, but they are not little now. One is 33, and the other one is 30.
Okay, I see. Okay, so sorry, they're younger though, or they're older?
No, I'm the older.
Oh, okay. I wasn't sure. I'm not sure how old you are. You look.
I'm 34.
Okay, you're 34. Okay, yeah. Okay, so your younger brother is only 1 year younger than
Yes,
you. Wow.
exactly.
Okay.
Yes. I
Uh,
didn't get time to be a little boy. I became a big brother
oh yeah,
very
yeah, yeah.
soon.
Big brother. Right, right. So you had responsibility. Pretty.
Yes,
Okay, I see.
and even if now they are adults,
Hmm.
I continue to have in my mind a kind of responsibility. I don't know why, but we
Oh
grew we
yeah,
grew
you still
we
have
grew up
that.
like
Yeah.
that. So, for example, my little brother, if he will buy a computer or TV, he will ask me before, "Can you give me an advice?" Something like that,
Right, right, right.
for example.
Yeah, that's cool. That's great. Well, same for me. My brother, I have one brother. He's my big brother, but he's only 1 year older than me.
Okay.
I remember when I was young, I would always let him eat first, like taste first. And then I'd say, "Is it good, bro?" And he say, "Yeah, it's good." Okay, I'll eat then.
I can trust you. Not
Yeah,
mom that cook, but
right.
you. I can
No,
trust you.
yeah. Mom, if you're listening, I love you, but it's true. You're not the best cook. Come on, let's be honest. She doesn't like cooking, but I'm the cook of the house. That's my job.
Okay.
Cooking
I
is
like
me.
to cook too.
Yeah.
Yes.
Do you
Uh,
cook like Algerian food sometimes, or?
yes, I know to do an Algerian bread, and my daughters love it.
Mm,
So when I have time, I try to do it.
nice.
And it's a good opportunity to work to improve my English too, because I try to listen or yes, to listen podcasts or
Yeah.
video
Hmm.
in English when I'm cooking, and
Oh, okay. Okay. Yeah. Yeah.
because you're not focused on the video or the audio, but I try to be able to understand what they are saying, to understand the accent, the different accents. I'm listening something in French.
Yeah. That's right. The science is very clear when you're listening passively and just the background. It actually does help. It helps for your listening skills.
Yes,
For
I
sure.
can feel it. Yes.
You can feel it, huh?
Yeah.
Actually, before we end this, I would love. Can you give some tips, some advice to
Yes,
people
for
who
sure.
are learning English?
Um, there is no better way to improve your English than practice. When you practice, practice is the key, I think.
Hmm.
And there are different ways.
Practice speaking.
Yes, practice speaking for sure.
Mhm.
The number one is that advice, and other means to improve English, or you can improve English. You can improve how to speak, how to understand English. For that, I think watch TV shows or listening podcasts.
What? That's great advice. What TV show specifically do you watch?
TV shows, I don't like. I don't watch a lot TV shows.
Mhm.
I prefer to watch animes, Japan animation.
Okay, in
So,
English.
yes, so I turn on. I turn the subtitles in English,
Okay, so you'll put like a Japanese animation and you'll put subtitles
in English.
in English, but the audio is in what,
In
Japanese?
Japanese, yes,
Oh,
I
okay.
prefer. But
But that's cool because I mean you're reading like you're reading English, like
exactly.
yeah.
And for podcast, I like to listen Rio Ferdinand podcast. It's an old player which who's played in Manchester United.
Okay.
And I like this podcast because he had a lot of guests from different countries. One time it will be with a French player, one time with an Irish player, one time with a Spanish player, but all of them speaking English with different accents. It's a
Ah,
good mean to improve your oral comprehension with different accents.
that's right. And you, so obviously you love football, so it's
Yes.
right.
Yeah. Another tip is good tip is to find English resources,
Hmm.
but on topics that you like. Because if you are listening something that you hate in French, you will not listen to it in English for sure.
Yeah, exactly. That, like, for example, there's, there are a lot of like podcasts or TV shows specifically for learning English. Okay. But
Mm.
I always tell my students, like, don't do that. Like, instead,
Boring.
like, yeah, it's boring. Like,
Yes.
instead, do something like that you love. You love
Exactly.
technology, listen to podcasts about technology in
There are
English.
a lot of podcasts on technology. One is
Yeah.
Beyond Coding. I don't know the name of this guy, but
Okay. Beyond coding. Okay.
Beyond Coding. It's an
Yeah.
excellent podcast.
Okay, that's a good idea. Great. Okay, I didn't know that one. That's cool. Beyond coding. Yeah. One that I really recommend is called Diary of a CEO.
Okay.
Diary of a CEO, and it's the
I will never.
second biggest podcast in the world, actually.
Okay.
Um,
Theory. CEO.
yeah, DOC is like they call it, whatever.
Okay. Is it
Did you,
available on Spotify?
yes, yes.
Okay.
Did you find it or no?
I not.
Oh, you didn't. Okay, you just wrote it down. Yeah. This one's amazing. It's amazing because anybody that's entrepreneurial, it has all great entrepreneurial guests.
Okay.
But and also like anything that's health, like so everything that's latest science. The most like the goal is to be the best human being you can be.
Okay.
And that's a British podcast. No, that one's really great. Yeah. And for me, for French, I've actually been reading lately. I've been reading a book, L'Alchimiste.
Oh
L'Alchimiste?
yes,
L'Alchimiste.
I know. I never read this book, but I
Okay, yeah,
heard
you know
it.
about it. But that's the first book I've read in French, like, and I'm still reading it.
Okay, we are at the same stage. I'm trying to read in English,
Yes, exactly.
and I'm reading two books. One is Atomic Habits.
Yeah, that's a great one. That's
Yes,
great. I've never read it, but of course, I've heard about it.
but I think you are already applying some advices that he gave in the book.
Like what?
In the last listen, you say that you are
Oh, yes, on my habits. That's right.
yes, uh, a mix between Atomic Habits and The Miracle Morning. It's another
Oh,
book
okay.
that I'm reading.
Yes, yes, yes. Are you applying? Have you been applying any new habits since reading?
Yes, I'm trying to read at least 5 minutes or 10 pages by day each night before to sleep. And I'm already feeling that I'm reading more pages in 5 minutes. And sometimes I want to continue to read.
Right. Yeah, and that's the key, right? That's the trick. Like you trick your mind by saying, "Look, you're only going to do 5 minutes."
Exactly.
Yeah,
And the topic is interesting. So you continue to read.
and you always end up doing more. Yeah,
Exactly.
yeah.
And I bought a Kindle. My
Oh
brother
yeah.
gave me this advice because he seen me reading a book in English,
Hmm.
and I say to him, it's a little bit hard because sometimes I meet a word that I don't understand,
Okay.
and I have to check on my phone what does it mean.
Oh yeah.
After that, I have to find where I was in this book,
Right.
try again.
Right.
And in the Kindle, when you meet a word that you don't know, you just
Hmm.
select this word and you will have an explanation. And if it is not enough, you can have the translation
Oh
from
no way.
English to French. Yes,
That's a great feature. Wow, I didn't know
it's
that.
amazing.
Oh man. Well, that's a great way to improve your English and learn
Yes,
new vocabulary.
to
Wow.
gain vocabulary, it's an amazing tips.
Yeah, and with Kindle you can buy books cheaper, right? Like
Yeah,
Kindle books are cheaper, right?
you can find the book around 20 euros, but on your Kindle you can buy it for maybe 5 euros.
And I'm thinking maybe I should get one because
You
uh
win space, money,
yeah, that's true.
vocabulary.
It's true because I go to the library every week. I go to the library for my kids to take books, but there are almost no English books, here.
Yes.
So I have to buy them, and it's getting expensive.
You have some library that specifically sell English books.
Right.
I know that in Paris there is one.
Yeah.
She's selling only English books.
Right, but I don't want to buy them. I want to. En fait, bibliothèque and library, it's not a good translation because I
Ah,
know
okay,
that
you want to rent it?
exactly médiathèque. I want to go to a
Okay.
médiathèque and buy and
Oh,
rent
it's more difficult.
free.
It's more difficult to
Yeah,
find the book that you like, to find the book in English.
that's the problem in France. For me, that's the problem. So maybe Kindle's a good option. That way, I can buy the book much cheaper because I'm buying them on Amazon for like
Ouais.
20
Okay.
euros or something. So
And I have maybe 2 or 3 other tips. There is a new feature available on YouTube
right,
that allows you to turn your video on another language.
right.
But I think it's not available on all videos. Maybe the content creator have to enable it. And so if you like to, you're subscribing to French channels about topics that you like, you can turn these videos to English videos. And
That's
it's
fantastic.
a really good feature.
That's great because some people I know like to watch in French first to understand, and
Okay.
then they'll watch maybe this video again, but in English.
Okay.
That could be a good. Okay, great. And what other tip?
Another tip is ChatGPT, but with a paid account.
Hmm.
With the ChatGPT, you can try to improve English by conversation with
Hmm.
him. It's not like speak with someone real like you or in the English club lessons.
Right,
But for example, if you have a pass, 50-minute pass in the car, you can
right,
begin to speak with him, give him a specific topic. For example, you can ask him, I will do an interview with Robert.
right.
Let's try to ask me what I'm doing in my life, my habits, something like that.
Oh, is that what you did?
Yes,
Oh, cool. So you practiced with
a
ChatGPT.
little bit. But
Oh,
he
that's
not
great.
helped me a lot. He said to me, "Yes, it's okay. You seems to be okay for this interview. Let's go." Oh,
Oh, he was right. He was right because you are. You
thank
are
you.
good.
I try.
Perfect. Well, and in the next, do you have one more tip, maybe? I think.
Another tip: if you have some friends that speak English, don't be shy to ask them if you begin to speak English with them. I do it with one friend living in UK
Ah,
for many years,
uh-huh,
since many years, sorry. And
uh-huh.
my Algerian cousins speak
Mhm,
English very well.
uh-huh.
One have a master degree in English.
Oh, okay.
So we speaking English with WhatsApp.
Uh-huh,
It's
uh-huh.
another mean to work my writing English,
That's right. Yeah.
my writing skills.
Man, that's perfect. These are great. This is great advice, Muhammad Ali.
Thank you.
Thank you very much for this chat and
It
for
was a
giving
pleasure
this
for me,
advice. All right, cool. Well, we're gonna stay in touch. We're gonna stay friends, huh?
for sure.
Okay,
If you need
sounds.
something in web development, don't hesitate. You can call me as you want.
I appreciate it, man.
You're
All
welcome.
right, take care. Thanks,
See
man.
you soon. Goodbye.
See you. Bye bye.
Bye.